Welcome to Lesson 2.2, where we will explore the contents and forms of pleadings under the Civil Procedure Code, CPC. Pleadings are the foundation of any civil suit, and their effectiveness depends on adherence to legal principles and drafting precision. In this session, we'll discuss the essential components of pleadings, principles of drafting, and illustrative examples of formats for plaints and written statements. Essential components of pleadings. Pleadings must include specific elements to ensure clarity and legal compliance. Let's examine these components in detail. Material facts, Order 6, Rule 2. Pleadings must include all facts necessary to establish the claim or defense, but must avoid legal conclusions or evidence. Example, in a recovery suit, material facts would state the existence of a valid contract and the breach of contract through non-payment. Cause of action. A cause of action is a bundle of facts giving rise to a legal right to sue. Key point: absence of a disclosed cause of action can lead to the plaint's rejection under Order 7, Rule 11. Example: for a defamation suit, the plaintiff must allege a defamatory statement, its publication, and the resultant damage to reputation. Relief claimed. Pleadings must specify the remedy sought, such as damages, specific performance, or an injunction. Example, in a property dispute, the plaintiff may seek a declaration of ownership or possession of the property. Parties to the suit. Pleadings must clearly identify all parties involved, including their names, addresses, and capacities, e.g., plaintiff or defendant. Misjoinder or non-joinder of necessary parties can render the suit defective. Jurisdiction and court fees. The pleading must disclose how the court has jurisdiction and confirm that requisite court fees have been paid. Example, a suit involving immovable property should be filed in the court with jurisdiction over the property's location. Verification clause. The pleading must include a statement verifying the correctness of the facts, signed by the party or their authorized agent. Signature and affidavit. Pleadings must be signed by the party or their advocate and may require an accompanying affidavit verifying the truth of the content. Forms and drafting of pleadings. Effective drafting ensures that pleadings are legally valid and clear. Let's explore the key forms and principles. Forms of pleadings. 1. Plaint, Order 7, filed by the plaintiff to initiate a suit. Contents include description of the parties, cause of action, relief sought. 2. Written statement, Order 8, filed by the defendant in response to the plaint. Contents include admission or denial of allegations, defenses or counterclaims. Drafting principles. 1. Brevity and clarity. Avoid verbose language and state facts concisely. Example, write, the property belonged to my late father instead of lengthy descriptions. 2. Relevance. Include only material facts relevant to the dispute. 3. Chronological order. Present facts in the sequence they occurred for better clarity. Legal language. Use precise terms such as breach of contract to avoid ambiguity. Compliance with rules. Follow procedural rules prescribed under the CPC. Format of a plaint. Illustrative example. Here's a basic structure for a plaint. Title. Suit of in the court of heading. Between plaintiff, name and address, defendant, name and address. Body. 1. Jurisdiction. The plaintiff submits that this humble court has jurisdiction as per section of the CPC. 2. Material facts. The plaintiff and defendant entered into a contract on date whereby the defendant agreed to deliver goods for Tswar. 3. Cause of action. The defendant breached the contract on date by failing to deliver the goods. 4. Relief claimed. The plaintiff prays for an order directing the defendant to pay Tswars along with interest. 5. Verification. I, plaintiff's name, verify that the above statements are true to the best of my knowledge. Signature. Plaintiff, authorized advocate. Format of a written statement. Illustrative example. Here's how a written statement might look. Title. Suit number of in the court of heading between plaintiff, name and address, defendant, name and address. Body. 1. Admission, denial of allegations. The defendant admits the contract but denies the breach. 2. Defenses. The defendant delivered the goods as agreed on date. 3. Prayer. The defendant prays for dismissal of the suit with costs. 4. Verification. I, defendant's name, verify that the above statements are true to the best of my knowledge. Signature. Defendant, authorized advocate. Landmark case laws on pleadings. Let's review some important judgments. 1. Trojan & Co. versus Arm N. Nagapachetiar. Pleadings must clearly outline material facts to avoid dismissal. 2. Uddhav Singh versus Madhav Rao Scindia. The court emphasized the need for specific details in pleadings to avoid vagueness. 3. Ganesh Trading Co. versus Moji Ram. Amendments to pleadings are allowed if they do not alter the nature of the suit. Conclusion. In conclusion, well-drafted pleadings are essential for clarity, precision, and adherence to legal requirements in civil litigation. By following established principles and formats, pleadings ensure the smooth progression of legal proceedings and effective representation in court. Thank you for joining this session. In the next lesson, we will explore the amendments and striking out pleadings, diving deeper into how this vital code operates. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable legal insights and updates. youtube.com/prolegalminds. If you have any legal questions or need assistance, visit us at prolegalminds.com to connect with our expert team. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of the law with confidence. Stay informed, stay empowered. See you in the next session.